What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And in today's video we are going to take a look at the best smartwatches which you can buy under 5000 rupees in India. And not only that, we'll be also taking a look at the smartwatch which is medically certified to be your as a health tracker. So if you are new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So now that you have done that, let's get started. Now the very first smartwatch in our list is from the Firebolt, and it's the Firebolt Ring Bluetooth calling smartwatch. Now what's good thing about this smartwatch and it differentiates from the other smartwatches is that it's completely a full metal body with a 1.7 inch of a display, and you also get an SpO2 monitoring and blood oxygen monitoring with this smartwatch with a continuous heart rate with the different watch faces too. Now one more thing which sets this watch apart is from the Bluetooth calling too. You can receive the calls on this smartwatch and you can even dial calls from this smartwatch, and via Bluetooth you can directly talk from this smartwatch too. Now this is a very different thing and we don't generally find this calling feature under 5000 rupees smartwatch, which is a really good thing. You also get a Find My Phone, calendar, camera controls and contacts too in your smartwatch. Now if you're liking this video, then do not forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Phantom if you haven't done it already, and you can also find all of these watches link in the description below. Now the next smartwatch is from the Noise and it's the Noise ColorFilt Ultra. Now this smartwatch comes with a 1.75 inch of a true HD display, and you also get a 60 sports mode inbuilt to the smartwatch, and you also get a SpO2 monitoring, heart rate and stress management too. You also get a sleep tracker, and not only that, you can also make calls and a quick SMS replies via the smartwatch. Well, the quick SMS reply means that you can specifically reply to the specific sets of messages and not only a custom message you cannot message from the smartwatch. Now the smartwatch starts at ₹3000 right now, and it's an amazing deal from the Noise Suite, and it's a really good smartwatch which you should consider buying this smartwatch. Now moving our focus towards the overall best smartwatch for the health tracker is the GoKey Smartwatch Vital Fitness. Now this smartwatch comes with a SpO2 monitoring, body temperature, blood pressure tracker, and it also comes with a 3 months of personal coaching for the smartwatch and other things. Now what this smartwatch is different about from the other smartwatches is that it is certified under 3 grades by the International Organization for Standardization, which is the ISO. Now GoKey Smartwatch is also registered as a medical tracker, and it's much more accurate than any of the other smartwatches. You also get a 24 hours of an SpO2 monitoring and the heart rate monitoring, and it also has a auto step tracking by 24 hours. Now you can also track your activities all days, and it comes with a 1.3 inch of a display, and it also has a multiple customization phases too. The watch is IP68 water and dust resistant, so you can take this watch up to a swim, but not more than 5 meters. And not only that, you also get a 7 days of battery life under normal usage with this smartwatch. The watch starts at ₹4000 right now on Amazon.com, so you can check that out too. Now talking about it last but not the least, the best smartwatch which you can buy under 5000 rupees overall is the Realme Smartwatch 2 Pro. Now this smartwatch, what makes it an overall is that it comes with a 1.75 inch of an HD super bright touchscreen display. You also get a dual satellite GPS which you don't find on any other smartwatch. The battery life is also at maximum at 14 days of battery backup. You get an SpO2 monitoring, heart rate monitoring and the IP68 water resistance. Now what's also better with this smartwatch is that you get a 90 sports mode with this smartwatch, including of the different sport activities such as yoga, rowing, basketball, hiking and many more. Now this smartwatch is being connected by the Realme Link app is also supported, so you can track your activities in your smartphone too, and you can also check out your Realme smartphones or the Realme Internet of Things, which is the IoT controls via this smartwatch. You also get notifications for your Gmail, YouTube, Instagram or any other social medias right into your wrist, and the watch is available in 2 colors too, which are the white and the grey metallic silver. Now, what do you think about these smartwatches and my picks of the top for best smartwatches under 5000 rupees. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.